So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove website locations for that the website that are having your location permissions in your browser. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and in the browser you have to just simply go to the setting. You can find it on this top right corner when you click over the three dots. Once you go over settings, here you have to search for site settings, and let's just search for site settings and go to this option. Once you go in the site settings option, here you're going to find this option that is location. Just simply go over there, and in when you scroll down, you're going to find the sites that having your location permissions enabled. Just simply delete the site that you want to remove the permission, or you can easily just simply click on this option of don't allow sites to see your location, so every permissions will be removed, every location permission from every site will be removed. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.